Welcome to our showcase of the largest motor graders ever built. From the mighty Case 885B to the colossal ACO grader, discover the engineering brilliance behind these giants. Marvel at their sheer power, advanced technology, and groundbreaking features that revolutionize road construction and maintenance. Whether it's the precision of the Volvo G946C or the robustness of the Champion 100T, each grader on our list exemplifies extraordinary innovation and capability. Join us as we explore these incredible feats of engineering. First on our list is the Case 885B motor grader, a marvel of engineering, delivering unparalleled productivity and efficiency. Designed for strength and durability, its front articulation ensures a tight turning radius, while the A-frame drawbar offers exceptional stability for increased job efficiency. The all-wheel drive option enhances versatility, making it ideal for heavy blading tasks. With a powerful FPT F4HE 9684L turbocharged diesel engine, it boasts 220 to 234 HP at 2200 RPM, ensuring optimal performance. The PowerShift direct drive transmission provides both manual and automatic shifting for adaptability. Featuring superior visibility with floor-to-ceiling cab glass and ergonomic controls, it guarantees operator comfort. The innovative design also prioritizes easy maintenance with ground-level access. If you like our content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible machine videos. Next up is the SEM919 motor grader, showcasing exceptional engineering by leveraging Caterpillar's tandem axle expertise for superior performance. Equipped with the SDEC SC919 G2 engine, it delivers 140 kilowatts at 2200 RPM and 720 kilonewtons at 1400 to 1600 RPM, ensuring efficient operation and Tier 2 emissions compliance. The SEM tandem axle optimizes load distribution, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Featuring PPPC hydraulic valves for precise blade control and a 7-position link bar for optimal reach, it's ideal for diverse applications including railway, highway, and airport construction, municipal projects, agriculture, forestry, and water conservancy. The robust A-frame drawbar and maintenance-free bushings enhance durability. Third on our list, the remarkable Volvo G946C, a true engineering marvel delivering outstanding performance and versatility. Powered by a Volvo D8 Tier 4 final engine producing 225 HP and 878 pounds-per-foot of torque, it ensures top-tier efficiency and productivity. Weighing 38,510 pounds with a blade pull of 24,957 pounds, it excels in both heavy-duty and fine grading. The unique twin-pinion drive offers 52,000 pounds-per-foot of circle turn torque for precise grading. Its load-sensing hydraulics and advanced control systems, including an optional joystick, enhance operator comfort and accuracy, making it ideal for road construction, airport runways, railways, and municipal projects. Fourth in line is the SSMG200 road grader, a pinnacle of power, precision, and efficiency. It's equipped with a Cummins QSL9 C250 engine, which delivers power of 253 horsepower or 186 kilowatts at 1500 RPM from its 8.9-liter displacement. The turbocharged engine, coupled with an intercooler, ensures maximum performance and is accompanied by minimum emission levels. With a weight of 45,768 pounds or 20,670 kilograms and a moldboard width of 14 feet or 4,270 millimeters, the SMG200 excels in road grading applications. Its variable horsepower technology optimizes efficiency across varying load conditions, while automatic pump flow regulation enhances fuel economy. Ideal for road construction and maintenance, the SMG200 sets a new standard in grading excellence. Fifth, the robust SDLG G9220 motor grader is equipped with an electronically controlled Deutz engine, offering variable power and 3 power curves. This 164 kilowatt Dalian Deutz engine, paired with a ZF power shift transmission, ensures optimal performance and fuel efficiency. The G9220 features automatic cruise control for consistent speed, reducing operator workload. Its high-pressure gear pump and dual-pump hydraulic system provide 21 MPa pressure for high efficiency. The no-spin limited slip differential and heavy-duty roller chain drive enhance traction and blade performance, making it ideal for road construction, maintenance, and any surface grading requiring precision and reliability. Sixth on our list is the powerful XCMG GR5505 motor grader, designed for large-scale operations such as highways, airports, and farmlands. Equipped with a Cummins QS-X15 engine delivering 550 horsepower or 399 kilowatts at 2100 RPM, it excels in ground leveling, ditching, slope scraping, and snow removal. This robust grader features a friction disc worm gearbox for automatic safety, a load-sensing hydraulic system for enhanced comfort, and a ROPS and FOPS cabin meeting ISO standards for operator safety and comfort. With a maximum blade position angle of 90 degrees and an operating weight of 63,000 kilograms, the GR5505 ensures efficient and precise grading in tough environments. Seventh, the mighty Cat 24 motor grader, the largest in its class, is designed for efficiently working wide-haul roads and mining operations. Boasting a powerful 535 HP Cat C27 engine and a 24-foot moldboard, it enhances productivity while ensuring operator comfort with advanced cab features. The innovative modular design reduces maintenance time, saving up to 2,400 service hours over the machine's life. The improved powertrain offers 33% longer life before needing a rebuild. Features like the fluid service center, split hoses, and electrical harnesses make servicing easier. Equipped with a Cat grade with cross-slope and MineStar technology, it ensures optimal performance, safety, and equipment management. Next is the Champion 100T, introduced in 1975, which is the largest production grader ever built. Powered by a 700 HP Cummins VT1710 C700 or a Detroit diesel GM 16V71T engine, it weighs 202,000 pounds and features a 24-foot blade designed for maintaining haul roads in giant surface mines. The hydraulically operated grader boasts an articulated frame, tandem rear-wheel drive, and an 8-speed power shift transmission with a top speed of 35 miles per hour. Known as the Big Mudder, it combines massive size with versatile blade movements, including side shift, tilt, and circle rotation, making it ideal for large-scale surface mining operations and land reclamation projects. Halfway on the list is the Komatsu GD825A2 motor grader, a powerhouse in precision grading and leveling. Equipped with a turbocharged S6D 140E2 diesel engine delivering 280 horsepower, it ensures robust performance with high fuel efficiency. The grader features a 16.2-foot moldboard and a 70-inch circle diameter, providing exceptional blade control for diverse construction and road maintenance tasks. Its 132.1-gallon fuel tank ensures extended operation on job sites. Designed for operator comfort, the cab includes an adjustable suspension seat and low noise levels. High reliability and durability are achieved through its double-walled gooseneck, circle drive slip clutch, and heavy-duty differential, making it ideal for demanding environments.